This motherboard's got Wi-Fi 7 and an attitude? GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite. Too OP to ignore? Let's be real, building a high-performance gaming rig these days feels like assembling IKEA furniture blindfolded, underwater, while your internet lags. You think you've got everything lined up, but your future-proof motherboard barely supports Wi-Fi 5, your RAM compatibility's a nightmare, and let's not even start on thermal throttling during a boss raid. Ever rage quit your own build? We've been there. So if your setup feels more meh than mad OP, and your BIOS looks like a 1998 time capsule, buckle up, because your motherboard glow-up is overdue. Now imagine launching a AAA game only for your FPS to plummet faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. Your deadlines are frying, your temps are sizzling, and that dream of ultra-smooth, future-ready gaming? Fading like your last paycheck. Your current build is bottlenecking harder than LA traffic, and you're missing out on game-changing features like Wi-Fi 7, PCIe 5.0, and DDR5 8200 MHz speeds. Burnout's real, bro. This isn't just a performance issue, it's a life crisis in RGB. Enter the GIGABYTE B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE motherboard, the silicon savior you've been waiting for. This beast is straight-up engineered for domination with support for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, 7000 processors, twin digital VRM phases, triple M.2 slots, and jaw-dropping DDR5 overclocking up to 8200 megatransfers per second. It's not just a motherboard, it's your golden ticket to X3D turbo mode, instant overclocking, butter-smooth gameplay, and BIOS so intuitive it practically high-fives you. Oh, and did we mention Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN with directional ultra-high-gain antennas? Yeah. You heard that right. No more janky builds, BIOS rage, or thermal freakouts. With EZ-Latch everything, M.2, PCIe, even antenna install, this board practically builds itself. You're getting next-gen speeds, zero latency gaming, and cooling systems that whisper sweet nothings to your VRMs. Whether you're crushing 4K streams or pushing 1440p at 240 Hz, the B850 AORUS Elite has your back and your GPUs. Curious how it handles real-world loads? Stick around. We put this board through hell and back, just for you. Ready to upgrade your setup to the ice-cold apex predator of motherboards? Don't sleep, these bad boys are flying off the shelves like GPUs in 2020. Thousands of gamers have already leveled up with the AORUS Elite. Don't be the last in the lobby still rocking SATA SSDs and SAT Wi-Fi. Hit that link, smash that like, and unlock the rig your games deserve. Future-proof? Check. Performance? Wild. Status? Elite. Your next-gen rig starts now, click it before it's gone.